Hey guys, welcome to my third Minecraft video. I've actually, off camera, I built this. It's obviously not done yet, but, if we go down here, and if I can actually get down here, I didn't light it up, but it looked better when I did it on the Xbox. Go down here. Then here's another portal, and I haven't been in this portal yet, so I don't know. It's gonna take us, but I have been in the Nether with Garrett. And okay, I'm probably gonna die. And sweet, I'm at Garrett's base. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, I died. A zombie hit me. And, well, I just had to go back. I have done kind of a lot of things off camera. And one of those is I made a carrot farm. And I went to Garrett's base, and I got this wolf, and don't have a name for him yet, but, I started a carrot farm, and then I built this house, like I already said. I built this, like, circle, where I have, all my stuff, and there's one, just, let's see, ooh. I didn't mean to do that. Let me see Xbox where you just like tap on them. Sucks. And I actually wanted to make a pig farm, so glad this guy's here. I'm a piggy. Okay, I'm gonna go make a little pig farm, and then I'll probably get 2 pigs in there, and then be right back. As you can see, we got 1 pig. I didn't really talk because I didn't want to, and you know, that was the whole point of just recording it. I think I'm gonna go look for a pirate ship or something, so that way I can get a conduit. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. And, I started to work on my, like, the train track or whatever that I'm gonna make all the way back to spawn. And, well, I mean, that's all I did. So I'm gonna put the track, like, through this granite, or, I forgot what it's called. I'm pretty sure it's granite. And it's just gonna lead all the way to spawn. I still have to mine out this part right here, and above it too. I have stone smelting in here, because I'm going to get rid of all, like this, that way it's just completely stone, and then the polished, granite, polished granite, that's it. And then, just gonna replace it all. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. It's a very short video, and I'm kinda bored, you know? So, I'm just gonna end it, because I really have nothing else to do right now. But I will keep mining, and then next time, the mine will be, well, the train station will be bigger.